Welcome to Cozy Home Interior. Have you ever wondered how a tiny apartment can still feel warm, comfortable, and beautifully organized? In this video, we'll explore simple makeover ideas that help maximize every inch without making the space feel crowded. From a welcoming front terrace and a brighter living room to a cozy bedroom and a more functional kitchen, each area is designed to feel both stylish and practical. You'll also see how small corners like balconies, window areas, and even laundry spaces can become surprisingly relaxing and efficient. Some of these ideas are simple to apply, yet they can completely change the atmosphere of a compact apartment in the most elegant way. By the end of this video, you may never look at small apartment living the same way again. A tiny front terrace can completely transform the feeling of a small apartment before anyone even steps inside. Start by using warm lighting such as wall sconces or compact lanterns to make the entrance feel cozy during the evening. Add a slim bench with hidden storage underneath so the space stays functional without looking crowded. Small potted plants, hanging greenery, and textured outdoor rugs instantly bring life and softness into the area. Neutral tones combined with natural wood accents help create a calm and welcoming atmosphere. Even narrow terraces can feel stylish when every item has a clear purpose. Avoid oversized furniture and instead focus on compact decor that visually opens the space. A thoughtfully designed terrace makes the apartment feel more personal and inviting from the very first glance. If you enjoy smart apartment transformations like this, keep exploring more creative small space ideas that make everyday living feel effortlessly beautiful. A small apartment living room can still feel open, bright, and comfortable with the right design choices. Instead of filling the room with bulky furniture, choose pieces that serve multiple purposes, such as storage ottomans or compact sectional sofas. Light-colored walls combined with layered lighting create a more spacious visual effect throughout the room. Large mirrors strategically placed across windows help reflect natural sunlight and make the living area appear wider. Floating shelves are another excellent solution because they provide storage without occupying precious floor space. Soft fabrics, minimal decor, and clean furniture lines help maintain an uncluttered atmosphere that feels relaxing rather than cramped. Keeping pathways open also improves the overall flow of the room and makes movement feel effortless. A thoughtfully arranged living room allows tiny apartments to feel surprisingly luxurious and comfortable every day. If these makeover ideas inspire you, explore even more creative ways to maximize small apartment living beautifully. A small bedroom can become one of the most relaxing spaces in an apartment when comfort and simplicity work together. Soft neutral bedding, warm ambient lighting, and layered textures instantly create a peaceful atmosphere that feels inviting after a long day. Instead of oversized furniture, choose compact pieces with hidden storage to maximize available floor space. Beds with drawers underneath are especially useful for storing seasonal clothing or extra linens. Wall-mounted shelves and minimalist nightstands keep the room functional without making it feel crowded. Curtains in light fabrics help natural sunlight flow softly throughout the space during the day. Adding a few calming decorative accents, such as framed art or indoor plants, gives the room personality while maintaining a clean visual balance. A thoughtfully designed bedroom can feel surprisingly luxurious despite limited square footage. If cozy apartment transformations inspire your decorating style, continue exploring more smart ideas for creating beautiful and comfortable small living spaces. A compact apartment kitchen becomes far more functional when vertical space is fully utilized. Empty walls can be transformed into practical storage areas using floating shelves, hanging racks, magnetic knife holders, and wall-mounted organizers. This approach keeps countertops cleaner and makes the kitchen feel larger and more organized. Choosing light cabinet colors and reflective surfaces also helps brighten the room naturally. Open shelving can display neatly arranged dishes and decorative jars while still maintaining a minimalist appearance. Slim storage carts placed beside cabinets are another excellent way to maximize tight and used spaces. Proper lighting underneath shelves or cabinets creates a modern atmosphere and improves visibility while cooking. Even the smallest kitchens can feel efficient and stylish when storage is planned carefully from floor to ceiling. Smart organization allows tiny apartment kitchens to remain comfortable without sacrificing beauty or convenience. If you enjoy practical decorating ideas that completely transform compact homes, continue discovering more creative apartment makeover inspiration. Creating a dining area inside a tiny apartment requires creativity, balance, and smart furniture selection. A round table often works better in small spaces because it improves movement and creates a softer visual appearance. Foldable dining tables and stackable chairs are perfect solutions when flexibility is important. Warm pendant lighting above the table instantly makes the area feel intimate and stylish without requiring much decoration. Adding floating shelves nearby can provide extra storage for plates, cups, or decorative pieces while saving valuable floor space. Neutral tones mixed with natural textures help the dining area blend seamlessly with the rest of the apartment. Even a tiny corner near the kitchen or window can become a beautiful eating space with thoughtful design choices. Small apartments feel more complete when every area has both function and personality. If you love compact interiors that still feel elegant and welcoming, keep exploring more apartment makeover inspirations designed for modern small space living. A small balcony or window area can easily become the most peaceful corner inside a tiny apartment. Compact seating with soft cushions instantly creates a relaxing atmosphere without overwhelming the limited space. Hanging plants, warm string lights, and natural textures help the area feel calm and inviting throughout the day and evening. Even a narrow window nook can become a cozy reading spot by adding a small bench and layered fabrics. Using foldable furniture allows flexibility while maintaining an uncluttered appearance. Soft neutral colors combined with greenery create a refreshing environment that connects the apartment with nature. During the evening, warm lighting transforms the space into a quiet retreat perfect for relaxing after busy routines. Tiny apartments feel much more enjoyable when small overlooked corners are transformed thoughtfully. If you love cozy compact spaces filled with warmth and personality, continue discovering more apartment makeover inspirations designed to maximize comfort beautifully. A tiny apartment laundry area can become surprisingly functional and visually appealing with smart organization and efficient design choices. Stackable appliances are one of the best ways to maximize vertical space while keeping the area compact and organized. Floating shelves above the washer and dryer provide extra room for detergents, baskets, and cleaning supplies without cluttering the floor. Using light colors and proper lighting helps the laundry space feel cleaner, brighter, and more comfortable during daily routines. Foldable drying racks and hidden storage compartments are excellent solutions for maintaining a tidy appearance in limited spaces. Small decorative touches such as woven baskets, wooden accents, or indoor plants can also make the area feel more stylish and welcoming. Even the smallest laundry corner can improve the apartment's overall functionality when designed carefully. If compact home transformations inspire you, continue discovering more creative apartment makeover ideas that combine beauty, comfort, and smart space-saving solutions effortlessly.